This is Donald Barber with the J. Michael Manley team at Keller Williams, Greenville, Upstate, and today we're standing outside of the home of 216 Lacebark Court in Simpsonville. This home features 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, and plenty of extra storage, plus a heated pool in the back and many more. Let's go in and check it out. Inside this home, at just over 5,000 square feet, you'll find the office area and a full bath off to the right. Off to the left is a formal dining room. And as you walk straight ahead, you'll notice the great room, sunroom, and a huge kitchen area with a big center island. Some of the exterior features of this home includes not one, but 2 screened-in decks, plus an oversized deck outside, plus a covered patio down below. So you have plenty of room for entertainment or enjoying your morning coffee. Upstairs, you have a nice spacious common area, your master bedroom, master bath, plus 3 additional bedrooms and 2 more full baths. Downstairs in the basement, you'll find 2 areas that you can use for gaming rooms or movie rooms. You also have an additional office space, an extra storage, and another full bath. Enjoy your days and evenings with your family and friends out by the pool or the covered patio, or roasting marshmallows over by the fire pit. This home here at 216 Lacebark Court sits on nearly a full acre of land that backs well into the woods, within 50 yards of the pond where you can do some fishing or have picnics with your family, or sitting by a second fire pit over there. And it's within 2 to 2.5 miles of a bunch of restaurants and shopping heading into Simpsonville on Fairview Road. For a showing, give me a call at 864-704-0006, or you can reach me online at donald.greatergreenvilleareahomes.com. 216 Lacebark Court has it all. The only thing that's missing is you. Thank you.